2025 Kawasaki Eliminator 500 is no exception. Designed for both new and experienced riders, this middleweight cruiser brings together a sleek design, a comfortable riding position, and a powerful yet manageable engine. Whether you're commuting through city streets or cruising on the highway, the Eliminator 500 offers a thrilling yet practical ride, engine, and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Eliminator 500 is a 451cc parallel twin engine derived from Kawasaki's proven Ninja 500 platform. Tuned for strong low-end and mid-range torque, this engine provides smooth and responsive power delivery. The liquid-cooled, fuel-injected setup ensures efficiency and reliability, making it an excellent choice for riders looking for a balance between performance and ease of use. With a lightweight chassis and a user-friendly 6-speed transmission, the Eliminator 500 delivers an engaging yet comfortable riding experience. Design and comfort. The Eliminator 500 embraces a modern cruiser aesthetic with a minimalist yet aggressive stance. Its low seat height of around 28.9 inches (735 mm) makes it approachable for riders of all sizes, while the relaxed handlebar position enhances comfort on longer rides. The frame design ensures stability, and at just under 400 pounds, the bike remains agile and easy to maneuver. A wide, comfortable seat and well-positioned foot pegs provide an ergonomic riding posture, perfect for both short trips and extended cruising. Technology and features. Kawasaki has equipped the Eliminator 500 with modern technology to enhance the riding experience. A fully digital LCD instrument panel provides clear readouts of speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. LED lighting all around ensures excellent visibility and a contemporary look. Some versions may include Kawasaki's Rideology connectivity, allowing riders to sync their smartphones for additional data and convenience. Braking and handling. Safety is a key focus, and the Eliminator 500 features a front 310mm disc brake paired with a twin-piston caliper, along with a 240mm rear disc for strong and reliable stopping power. ABS is available for added confidence, especially in unpredictable road conditions. The bike's suspension setup, consisting of telescopic front forks and dual rear shocks, provides a smooth and controlled ride, whether navigating tight corners or cruising on open highways. Who is it for? The Eliminator 500 is designed to appeal to a broad range of riders. Beginners will appreciate its approachable power, lightweight feel, and low seat height, while experienced riders will enjoy its refined performance and stylish design. It's an excellent option for those looking for a practical yet exciting cruiser without the bulk of a heavyweight machine. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator 500 is a perfect blend of modern styling, approachable power, and everyday usability. Whether you're looking for a first motorcycle, a stylish commuter, or a fun weekend cruiser, this bike delivers in every aspect. With Kawasaki's legacy of reliability and performance, the Eliminator 500 is set to be a favorite among riders seeking an accessible yet exciting cruiser.